Hello, this is SAVOX Andy. So today we received the new torqur system. So we're making a new tool for torqur. Okay, because SAVOX is always use the electronic torqur to test SAVOX servo and state the spec on that. And we saw the YouTuber, they not use the electronic torqurs. So right now, we are making a new tool that is close to the most YouTuber to show on video how they to test the servo. Here is a Dr.meter. So it's the same as most YouTuber they use for testing the torque. So here's a mounting. Right now, the easier way we do is we just assembling this torqmeter to the holders. Okay, so we assembling torqmeter to the holders first. And this one is a servo mount. So we're doing several different kind of servo mount. So you can test in different types of servo. And the easier way is just put your servo in here and mount it. Okay, normally we will use a 4 screw, but right now I just to assemble in this tool, so I only mount 2 screws. And then here is the servo horn. Then we need to fix the servo horn. Okay, so we finished. There's our new servo tester for torque. So for the next item, we'll use this tool to test the torque and show to you guys. Thank you for listening. There's a SAVOX New Toruqe tester.